Now for this heading here, Ethernet, what we'll do is again we'll highlight it and we'll select a heading from the top here. I think what we'll do is we'll take heading 3. Okay. Now once we've got that, again if we have a look at where it says token ring, you can see that we could probably do with a bit of spacing there. So we can go into paragraph, back into indents and spacing, and we can add 6 point before, and that should just give us a nice wee bit of spacing. Okay, now these here we're going to put in a list. So we highlight and then we can see that we have different types of list. We've got a bulleted list, okay, which is basically just got wee bullets down the side, or a numbered list. Now if we click on the down arrow, we can see the type of bulleted list that we can take. So you merely just choose whichever one it is that you want. Likewise with the numbering, we can see that we can either have numbers with brackets, letters, Roman numerals, and as you go over them again, you can see down here, if I go over them again, it will give you a rough idea of what it will look like. Okay, you can see that, that's how it would look, and that gives us a basic list type. Okay, so I think for this one we'll just stick with the numbers. Okay, now what we can do as well is if we're sticking with the default, you can simply just click it and it will give you the default. And again, if we want to change it while they're still highlighted, we can click it and it will give us the default. Now you'll notice also that it also gives you this indent here. Now that's not to everybody's taste. Okay, I don't always like it myself. To sort that, what we need to do is use this here where it says first line indent. Simply grab it and drag it back. You'll see the dotted line, and take it back to the start of your document, and you'll see that the ones automatically go back. Okay, so that's us. We've done lists there. We can see how to do lists. You can go back and you can edit them and do whatever it is that you fancy doing. You can investigate the different list types that you have up here. You can see you've got multi-level lists as well. If you click on that, you can see the different styles that you can get. So it's worth just having a wee play about with these things and just seeing what they can do. But you've got the basics, a basic list